Here's a 2017 Buick Envision. This small SUV is big on luxury. With a spacious and quiet cabin, everyone who rides in this Envision enjoys the refinement it offers and its athletic performance. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, front heated bucket seats, power heated mirrors, external memory control, aluminum wheels, auto dimming mirrors, and automatic transmission. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.